Hello guys. Yeah, I'm gonna play Thomas Crashes in the Wild West again. Because the other video did not have audio, so yeah. And it's actually called Bing Bang. Oh yeah, by the way, welcome to the Walker Gaming. Let me show you how to play. You drive Thomas, the stupid train, and then you just drive straight forward, and then go in the landmines in the water. Oh, that's my friend. I'm gonna tell him I'm recording video. Okay, sorry guys, I was just talking to my friend, sorry guys. Yeah, I don't know what to do anymore, I'm gonna kill myself. Oh, he say, hello, stop please, or I will kill you. At 3 a.m. At 3 a.m. Wait, if you look at this, when you spam the purple button, you Thomas fall down. Yeah. Last time it did not have audio, so yeah. This is part 2. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Oh yeah, I don't know why you can climb these. Oh yeah, you cannot drive him even though, oh god. Yeah, we're gonna, oh wait, let me show you. You can go in the void too. Oh frick. Yeah, oh no, oh frick, I'm stuck. Okay. I'm gonna go in the void, guys. Oof. Oh my gosh. What's happening? Oh yeah, and by the way, welcome to the Walker Gaming. Oh no, I'm about to fall. Hello, I don't have anything. I'm reset. Yeah, this is all, bye guys. And sub, or I will at 3 a.m.